Oliver.
Why don't you crouch down and we'll see if he'll walk towards. Go to the camera.
Come on over here, Oliver. Up. Stay up. There we go. Stay up.
Go see
Stay up.
Aunt Bee. You've got the camera.
I've got the camera. Good job, buddy.
Go see Aunt Bee.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Hey, Oliver. Hey, Oliver. Come on here. Come get the shiny camera.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Stay up. Stay up.
Keep going.
That's a very talented foot, Mommy. Come get the camera.
Look at you go.
Come get the camera.
Look at Oliver, Quinton.
Come get the camera.